Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to knit this beautiful lace stitch. I use this stitch for my knitted sweater here, and also I use for this project that I have been working on for a while, and I'm not sure what I'm making here, but yeah, it's beautiful lace stitch. I really like this stitch. And I'm not really sure what this stitch called. It's a mixed lace stitch with garter stitch. If you know, please let me know in the comment below. Alright, let's get started. For today's stitch tutorial, I am going to use Pinbox cotton yarn. It is number 4 medium weight yarn and US 7 4.5 millimeter knitting needles. I have my circular needle here. Because I don't have straight needle, we are going to work flat back and forth, so you don't really need this circular needle. For this knitting stitch is a multiple of 2 stitches or an even number of the stitches. So I'm gonna cast on 30 stitches and I'm gonna use long tail cast on. I make sure I have enough tail for my long tail cast on here. I'm just gonna eyeball it. If you don't know how to make long tail cast on, I have video tutorial for that. And you can also search on YouTube how to do long tail cast on. Okay. Then after I have my tail, I'm gonna hold my yarn like so. I'm not going to make a slip knot, but if you like, you can do that. So I hold my yarn this way. I insert my needle like so. Go like that. Okay, now I have 2 stitches on my needle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 29, 30. Okay, I have 30 stitches here. Now we're gonna turn our work. Row 1. For row 1, it's gonna be the right side row. For an odd number row, gonna be the right side row. For an even number row, gonna be the wrong side row. And row 1 to row 5, we're just gonna knit. Okay, we are making garter stitch right now. So just knit. Alright, I'm gonna keep knitting all the way across row 1. I'm at the end of row 1 here. For row 2, we turn our work. Then we're gonna knit every stitches across. Oops. Alright, I will be back when I'm at the end of row 2. I'm at the end of row 2. For row 3, we turn our work. Then we're gonna knit every stitches across. I'm gonna keep knitting across row 3. Then I will be back. I'm at the end of row 3. Now we're gonna turn our work. For row 4, we're gonna knit every stitches across. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna keep knitting and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 4. I'm at the end of row 4. Turn our work. Row 5, we're gonna knit across. I'm gonna keep knitting and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 5. I'm at the end of row 5 here. Now we turn our work. For row 6, it's gonna be the lace stitch row. It's gonna be a little different. We're gonna purl the first stitch, so bring the yarn to the front. And then purl that first stitch. Then we're gonna yarn over, purl the next 2 stitches together. So I yarn over here, I insert my needle through those 2 stitches and purl them together. So this is the repeat, yarn over, purl 2 together. Okay, we're gonna repeat that all the way until we have 1 stitch left at the end. So yarn over. I like to use my index finger to pinch it at the yarn over here just so I don't lose it. Alright, I yarn over, I pinch it, and then I insert my needle through the next 2 stitches, and then I purl them together. Again, yarn over, purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. Repeat, yarn over, purl 2 together. 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 Alright, now I have 1 stitch left at the end. I need to purl that last stitch. So I bring the yarn to the front and purl that last stitch without yarn over, okay? Just purl. Alright, make sure you have the same amount of the stitches. So for me, I have 30 stitches, the same. Alright, that's it. You're gonna repeat row 1 to row 6 over and over. I'm gonna show you one more repeat, which is row 7 to row 12. So for row 7, we're gonna knit every stitches across. And be careful, this yarn over, it might slide off sometime. So just be careful, it slide off my needle before. So you're just gonna knit as usual. Just insert the needle like so and just knit. Treat it like a regular stitch, normal stitch. Okay. I'm gonna keep knitting every stitches, and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 7. Okay, I'm at the end of row 7 here, and I forgot to share some tips. If you're having a hard time knowing where is the right side or wrong side, I recommend placing the stitch marker on the right side. So right now we are on the right side. So I just gonna mark it right here. Okay, and like I said earlier, for an odd number row is the right side row, and for an even number row is the wrong side row. So we just finished row 7 which is an odd number row, and it is the right side row. Now we're gonna turn. For row 8, it's gonna be the wrong side row, and we're gonna knit every stitches across. Oops. I'm gonna keep knitting, and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 8. I'm at the end of row 8. We turn our work. Row 9, knit every stitches across. Oops. I'm gonna keep knitting, and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 9. I'm at the end of row 9. Turn our work. Row 10, we're gonna knit every stitches across. I'm gonna keep knitting, and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 10. I'm at the end of row 10. Turn. For row 11, we're gonna knit every stitches across. I'm gonna keep knitting, and I will be back when I'm at the end of row 11. I'm at the end of row 11 here. Now we turn our work. For row 12, it's gonna be the wrong side row, and it's gonna be the lace stitch row. And we're gonna do exactly the same as row 6. So we're gonna purl the first stitch. Bring the yarn to the front. Then purl the first stitch. Yarn over. Purl the next 2 stitches together. Repeat. Yarn over. Purl the next 2 stitches together. Yarn over. Purl the next 2 stitches together. Yarn over. Purl the next 2 stitches together. Keep repeating this until you have 1 stitch left at the end, and I will be back. Okay, just take your time. Alright, I have 1 stitch left at the end. I'm just gonna purl that last stitch without yarning over. Okay, just bring the yarn to the front and purl the last stitch. And this is the wrong side, and this is the right side. So you're just gonna keep repeating row 1 to row 6 over and over. And I'm gonna repeat row 1 to row 6 maybe 4 or 5 more times. Then I will be back, just so I can show you what it is look like. Okay? Alright, I will be back soon. After I repeat row 1 to row 6 5 more times, here's what it looks like. And I end my repeat with the lace stitch row, which is the row that I repeat row 6. Okay, and now if you want to have the top part look like the bottom part before you bind off, I recommend knit another 6 more rows and then bind off the next row. But it's totally up to you. It depends on what you are making. Okay, this is just a recommendation. And yeah, that's it for this knitting stitch tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I would love to know what you are going to use this stitch for. Please let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.